The diggest dog. The diggest dog. I'm tied up to a big floor. I'm tied up to a big floor. The sidewalk, and a kid comes in here and said, I want to buy him too. I want to buy him. I've always wanted to pop like this. I want to name you Duke. He gave me a lead all the way. I couldn't dig on that hard wood for bones.
Good job.
Here we are at the barn. It's green fields and stuff. I can run around at the barn. The chickens run and run until I run.
You gotta be still.
The kid whistled. He said, you need some friends, Duke. And whistled and whistled and whistled. I don't know this friend.
That's when they said, you're our friend. They said, you're not so bad.
You're our friends. You're so not bad. What's the next?
That's good. Turn the page.
What's this one? I don't know it.
They started to dig.
Started.
He wiggled his paws, and his paws just wouldn't.
I skipped it.
You're turning the wrong way.
Here, turn it to the back page, where he's trying to dig.
Okay, dig. I wiggled my paws and unpassed, and I did dig it. I wiggled my paws, my other paws, and I couldn't.
Couldn't dig.
Couldn't dig it all.
Turn the page. Rachel, you have to be still.
They point their noses and walk away. Why do they point their nose and walk away, Mommy?
Because they said, you can't dig. All right, turn the page.
I'll show them what they do. Just try to dig in a pile. I digged and they had sand on their mouth, nose, and eyes. And I couldn't dig it all. Like the stars.
They were so sad that night.
They were so sad that night.
But the next day,
he could dig.
yeah. What did he do?
Good, Duke, you're digging. He digged it. What's this one?
He dug up the garden of Mrs. Thwaites.
He digged up the garden, everything. Mrs. Thwaites. He dug up the pen. He dug up the animals. He dug up the pigs and their pins. I'm getting good at this. I dug up everything in town. Even the barber sitting in the chair.
Yeah.
I digged until I didn't stop. I digged up the sign and never stopped. Here comes my master, standing by. Duke,
What?
you're going to go back, and you're going to be tied up on the hard floor.
Yes.
The dog's scared. What's this part?
Remember, he got scared. And what did he do on the next page? He started to dig.
Started.
Where did he dig?
Where?
Turn the page.
What's this part?
He dug down deep.
He got down deep. Until he sinked and falling apart.
Yep.
Look at you, Octo. You weren't being patient. Now I'm going to dig the whole world. Look, why are they watching?
Remember, they made a chain. Did you skip that part? They made a dog chain and they pulled him out.
Yes, you did, Rachel. You skipped.
And now what's he doing?
I know have an idea. Let's pull it out. Everyone, grab onto tails.
And then what happened?
They pulled and pulled and pulled them up.
And then what did he do?
He digged up the bar. He digged up everything. He digged up all. He digged up her gate. He digged up her gate and flowers. They dug the flowers back at Mrs. Squeaks. They were watching me dig and make a lines. The end.
Say, I hope you enjoy your bedtime story, Daddy.
I hope you enjoy your bedtime story, Daddy. I want you to read that to me, Mommy.
Okay.